Good morning, guys. I thought today I would take you all along through my training session. This is actually currently my third session of the week, and it's only Monday morning. So yesterday I did 2 sessions. On Sunday I did 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, and then I'm getting my third session in right now. Today we are going to be putting on all of our gear just to make it a little bit more challenging, a little bit more uncomfortable, and just to help me sweat more so I can start cutting some weight. But today's plan for training, I've already got it written down here. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. So basically, I'm doing 1,000 kicks, 12 one-minute rounds, and 100 burpees. This is definitely going to be a long, tough session. After I wrote all this down, I was like, man, this is a lot of stuff. But I got an early start today, and I want to start adding in a little bit more different things as far as like the last 500 kicks are more technical based versus just being all like just cardio stuff that I could just like fly through. So that's going to kind of change it up just a little bit. It's definitely going to be tough. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit of a tougher session, but the more I get used to it, I'll be able to get through it a little bit quicker. Today's probably going to take me a little while, but that's completely fine. Got an early start, plenty of time. Let's go ahead and get started training. Alright guys, just finished that very long workout. I am exhausted. It took almost 2 hours to do all of that. It may have taken me a little bit less time. I did have to kind of move the camera a little bit a couple of times, but I tried not to worry too much about filming as much and focused more on my workout. But yeah, almost 2 hours. I'm exhausted. We got it done though. That was rough. Total of 1,000 kicks. 500 of them were more cardio based. The other 500 were a little bit more technical focused, a little bit more on different stuff like head kicks, trying to snap my kicks a little bit more on some of them. I was pretty exhausted on the last 500, but I did my best to try to focus a little bit more on snapping the kicks a little bit more. And then on top of all that, in the middle of all that, I did 12 1-minute rounds on the bag and 100 burpees. So 1,000 kicks, 12 1-minute rounds, and 100 burpees. I'm so tired. I hope you all enjoyed the video. This was session number 3 for me of the week. Glad I've already got, it's only Monday, like I said, it's only Monday and I've already got 3 sessions done, so having accomplished that, I do feel good kind of going into the week, so, but I am exhausted. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what else you want to see in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna go relax the rest of the day. I'll see you guys in the next video.